Most Angular developers manually subscribe to observables in their components, but there's a much cleaner way. The async pipe does all the heavy lifting for you. The async pipe automatically subscribes to observables or promises when your template renders, and it unsubscribes when the component is destroyed. Without it, you have to manually subscribe and own init, store the value in a property, and remember to unsubscribe and own destroy. With the async pipe, all that boilerplate disappears. Just pipe your observable directly in the template. Here's where it gets powerful. Every time your observable emits a new value, the async pipe automatically marks the component for change detection. Angular then updates the view with the latest data. This creates a reactive data flow where your UI stays in sync with your data streams without any manual intervention. The pipe listens for omissions, triggers change detection, and updates the template all in one go. The async pipe also works seamlessly with the OnPush change detection strategy. OnPush components only check for changes when inputs change or events fire, which is great for performance. But the async pipe is smart enough to mark an OnPush component for checking when new values arrive. You get the performance benefits of OnPush without losing reactivity. Just set your change detection strategy to OnPush and let the async pipe handle the rest. Finally, the async pipe prevents memory leaks. When you manually subscribe, forgetting to unsubscribe creates a leak where the observable keeps running even after the component is gone. The async pipe handles cleanup automatically when the component is destroyed. No dangling subscriptions, no memory bloat, no own destroy boilerplate. It's bulletproof subscription management built right into your template. Remember, the async pipe handles subscriptions automatically, triggers change detection efficiently, and prevents memory leaks. Practice this in your next interview at interviewmentor.ai. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.